Is your Uber Eats promo code playing hide and seek with your order total? Don't let missed discounts leave a bad taste in your mouth. Let's fix that. First things first, let's make sure we're entering the code correctly. Double check for any typos, extra spaces, or missing characters. Even a small error can prevent it from working. Next, let's talk expiration. Most promo codes have a limited lifespan. Access the original source of your promo code, whether it's an email, an ad, or a text message, and verify the expiry date. If it's past that date, unfortunately, it won't apply. Promo codes often come with specific eligibility requirements. Sometimes they're only valid for new users, or for orders over a certain amount, or even restricted to particular restaurants or delivery areas. Dig into the fine print of the offer to see if your order meets all these conditions. If you've confirmed the code is correct, valid, and you meet the requirements, but it's still not applying, a simple app refresh can often do the trick. Try closing the Uber Eats app completely and then reopening it. This can resolve minor technical glitches. Still no luck? Head to the account section within your Uber Eats app. Look for a promotions or wallet area. Sometimes you can manually add or view active promotions there to ensure they're recognized by the app. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Uber Eats support directly through the app. They can investigate the specific promo code and your account to pinpoint why it's not applying and help you get that discount applied. With these steps, you should be well on your way to enjoying your meal without any promo code frustrations. Happy ordering!